shell is weird looking. Seems like you already hit. Get out. Get out of the road. Go on. Go on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. There you go. Keep moving. Good job. Come on. Come on. You're almost there. You're the weirdest turtle I've ever seen. Come on. Do I have to pick you up and put you in the pond? Or the lake, rather?